If you are unable to access your Yahoo Mail account and do not have verification code, you can follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Help Room. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input your Yahoo Mail email address in the designated field. This will help Yahoo identify your account and begin the recovery process. Step 3. Select recovery options. Choose the recovery options available to you. If you do not have access to your recovery phone number or email, look for alternative options such as answering security questions or using an alternate email address. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided for the selected recovery method. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification link to an alternate email. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you have not used before to secure your account. If you follow these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Yahoo Mail account. Remember to update your recovery options to avoid issues in the future.